Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to see ledgers in Tally Prime. First, from the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports. Next, choose Account Books from the list. Then, click on Ledger to view a list of all your Ledger accounts. This initial step provides a quick overview of your financial records, allowing you to easily select and examine specific accounts for detailed information. Once you've selected a ledger, you'll see its detailed report. Here, you can view every transaction associated with that account. Use the date range filter to narrow down your search or filter by voucher type for specific entries. This detailed view helps you understand the flow of funds and ensures all debit and credit entries are correctly recorded, providing a clear financial picture. Tally Prime allows you to customize your ledger reports. You can adjust the columns to show only the information most relevant to you, like inventory details or bill-wise breakdowns. For sharing or record keeping, easily export your ledger data to various formats, including PDF or Excel. You can also print these reports directly, ensuring you have physical copies when needed. For more advanced analysis, use the Change View option to switch between different report formats, such as monthly summaries or comparative views. You can also drill down into any transaction directly from the ledger report to see the original voucher entry, providing complete transparency. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a smart investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.